Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. For my faithful family members, you all know I love you so very much. Now guys, today I am so super excited because I am participating in the Spring Outdoor Living Spaces Lookbook collaboration presented by Catherine with Amateur Decorating Like a Pro and co-hosting the Dream Team. And this time guys, we have some special guests. I'll show you here. So be sure to check my description box down below for the playlist so that you can watch everyone's outdoor living spaces. I know guys, you will not be disappointed. There's going to be so much ideas and inspiration to share for this spring season. In my video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a continuation of how we have cleaned up and remade our front porch area. So in my last video, I showed you how things looked after the winter storm and how we cleaned things up, and now it's time to decorate. So now let's hop right into my video. Okay guys, so here's a quick look at our front porch. And before we did the cleanup and the front yard, you can see all of the dead plants. Everything had to go. So the landscapers came out and added new mulch, and I can cut back all of the dead plants, and I painted all of my items white. And here are some items that I pulled out to use to decorate our porch space. I picked up some flowers from Lowe's and from Walmart, and I'm using some items like this blessed sign that I already had, along with some pillows and a wreath and a tablecloth there. Okay, and here is the final reveal. You can see I have a large fern on the end of our bench there, kind of flanking it, and then I'm using a tablecloth like a throw blanket, and I've just used our bench here as a planter, and I have lots of plants on there and a couple of pillows, so it makes for a really cute little cozy space in the flower garden. And you can see some of my flowers are coming in already, so hopefully it will fill in and look beautiful. But here's a view of our porch, and you can see many of the plants through the mulch are coming up already. So I didn't want to buy too many plants to add since a lot is coming back. So we're going to just let it do its thing. But you can see we did add a few potted plants just to add a little bit of color, and I'm using my flag there to add a little bit more color as well. And so we have color on this side. You can see more plants coming in, plus some of the ones that I did purchase at Walmart and Lowe's. And on the porch, I'm using some pillows that I already had just to decorate the glider chair there. And there is a watering can filled with some faux plants. And for the door, we have a yellow forsythia wreath and our blessed sign here in the corner. And it is flanked at the base with the large fern and more pillows in the chair. And guys, I think everything came together nicely. I really like how the porch looks. And to add a little white on this side, I did also pick up that potted plant as well. So I really love how everything looks. It's very cozy and cottagey. And you guys know that's kind of my vibe, right? I really like that style. And so I'm really happy with how our front porch came together. It, I think, is very inviting and welcoming for our guests. Also guys, because those little pink plants did survive for the winter storm, I decided to add in some more pink plants just to pull the color throughout the space and to pick it up in the flag. So I think everything came together nicely. Okay guys, so I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. If so, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. You know that helps me out tremendously. Also, again, if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you will go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit the notification bell to receive alerts as to when I upload new videos. Now let me say a huge thank you so much to Catherine for pulling together this outdoor living space collaboration. I have enjoyed myself in participating. I want to remind you guys to be sure to check my description box below for the playlist so that you can watch everyone's videos. Alrighty guys, so I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.